I am Quan Yin. The earth is shifting, and these old patterns and belief systems are rumbling up within all of you. I ask you now to hold the palms up and to repeat, trust. I trust in the light within myself to show me the way. A powerful statement for you to make now and every day. I trust in the light within me to show me the way, to illuminate my path to peacefulness, unity, and wholeness. I trust in the light within me to show me the way. As you repeat it, holding the palms up, you will feel the energy, vibration pouring into your being. As those crisscrossed energies of lights, accept this trusting deep within. Accept this trusting of the spirit within your own being, within yourself. You are receiving your power. I am peace. I am power. Mentally repeat this or out loud. I am peace. I am power. I am peace. I am power. I am peace. I am power, and I trust the spirit within me, the light within me, to shine on the path and show me the way. Speak this out loud. I trust the peace within me, the light within me, the spirit within me, to shine on the path and show me the way. And as you are speaking this, feeling the energy come into the body, bring in the particular worry or difficulty that you have, and state it after. I trust the light within me, the spirit within me, to show me the right choice to make. And just add your situation. I trust the spirit within me, the light within me, to give me the energy and support to move in the direction that I see I need to move in. These old patterns that are releasing within yourself are the blocks to your movement from this place of power and truth. More than anything, this full moon is illuminating the power-powerless dynamic within the human race, swirling it together and bringing in the wholeness. Where you have experienced powerlessness in this world because of illusions of power, where you have experienced this has caused scars in many of your soul journeys. And that scarring or tissue is healing now as you bring it together to accept your power, the power of the divine receptive energy, the divine feminine that understands the need to receive. This is very important for your mind. Dear one, dear brother, slow down your mind that tries to be ahead of every fear and tries to work out every situation. Slow it down. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Dear sister, do not try to seek that which will protect you. Know that you are protection and protected. Know that my vibration is within you. Each one of you take 3 deep breaths now. Breaths of relief. Imagine you have gotten to where you need to get to, because you are where you need to be. And feel the relief of being, and feel how that sets you free. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin. The journey of letting go of your picture of a home, the journey of letting go of your idea of what security looks like, your journey of letting go of relationship being in a specific way, your journey of distrusting those that you would hire to help you and to work with you. Releasing the paranoia. Releasing the paranoia that is another description of fear. The mind has been trained to believe that if you study everything carefully and if you review everything carefully, then you will protect yourself from infamy. You will protect yourself from problems. You will protect yourself from difficulties. Let go of that illusion now. Breathe in and go back to, I trust the light within myself to shine on my path and show me the way. I trust the light of spirit within myself to shine on my path and show me the way. I am Quan Yin. Call on me, dearest Lady Quan Yin. We are here for you, and we can help you. We can come more fully into the physical form, into the physical world, and show you how we are all serving the path of light. We can show you the energy levels of genuine consciousness that are transforming all over the planet. You can allow yourself to suspend and surrender judgment and release the need to prove your worth and to prove your power. Simply know that you are power. I am Quan Yin. Release as you speak and allow the divine vibration of the goddess to move through your heart, to move through your soul, to see that there is resolution for all the difficulties on your planet. Surrender your own viewpoints. Open to the new light, the peace of the higher level of reality. This peace of the higher level of reality is not about duality. It is not about right or wrong. It is about wholeness. Wholeness in a place where there is peace, harmony, joy, and delight. Open your hearts to this place. Go to this place 1 hour a week. Let yourself rise. Let your energy rise. Let your energy be susceptible and receptive to the vibration of light, which will lighten you, and you will float. Float for 1 hour a week in nature. 1 hour a day, if you can make that happen, as often as possible. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin. The power of the flowers as you move into spring and summer on your planet and move through it, you see the flowers expressing themselves and their beauty. Spend time with them. Acknowledge them. Acknowledge their power and acknowledge the reflection of your own light and power and beauty as you see them opening, as you see the petals open and you feel the vibrations. There is no time to let yourself be caught in struggle and fear. You must move into that vibration of perfect time. You must move into this moment. You must move into the moment of letting go. Take a deep breath now. Bring the right palm to the heart chakra area. Rub it in a counterclockwise position, a counterclockwise motion. Hold the left palm out away from the body to receive. Open the body, keep the legs, balance the feet firmly in front of you on the earth. Draw in the breath and tone 9 times. During the toning, I and the vibration of the flowers will be with you. Allow yourself to feel it and to receive it. Turn your face to the light of the moon and your heart to the light of the moon this evening. Find some time to be with the vibration of the moon, to bring in the energy of light. You have brought in the energy of light already. Staring into the face of the moon and opening your heart to it, connecting with it, standing with it 5-10 minutes, walking under it will help you integrate the vibration of light within your own being that you have received this evening, this moment, this time of day, wherever you are. I am Quan Yin. This is a truth. I speak it to you. Most important is to understand the infusion of light. There are storms still rolling periodically through the 4th dimension. There are solar flares coming into the vibratory energy of the earth. you have felt one of those as recently as the past few days, as well as you have felt the vibrations under the earth of the quaking and the moving of the plates. We and many of the star brothers and sisters are around the planet now and have kept your planet more together than you can imagine. There are those areas that have agreed, and those conscious souls in those areas, to experience the physical movement of the quaking of the earth or of the volcanic activity of the earth. There are those who are accepting it vibrationally within their beings. We are working with the star brothers and sisters to keep the planetary motion as peaceful as possible. There is a need for some vibration in the physical until more souls open up to the peaceful vibration within themselves. You see, dear ones, the more you open to the peaceful vibration in yourself, the more you make it possible for the earth to be peaceful in her earth changes. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Focus on the flowers now, closing your eyes and watching your third eye from the back of your physical eyes, and allow yourself to see the vision of the flower or flowers that come to you. And drawing that energy in, drawing that energy in. I leave you from the verbal way of expression, and I join you in the vibratory levels. I am Quan Yin.